and there's nothing inside this cylinder. Do you have anything? Can you see anything? Okay, close it. Close your hand. 1, 2, and 3. Lift the cover up. You got the bottle reverse side. What's wrong? Take the bottle out and put it back on the top. Yeah. Keep your hand down. Now both have this, right? The bottle up. Close your 1, 2, and 3, and show what happened. Lift your bottle. Yours is wrong. Mine is right. What's the problem? What you are doing? Okay, cover this again with this. Wait, I will turn this face down. Okay. Now both are having the same thing, right? So, oh yes, the bottle is face down. Close this. 1, 2, and 3. Lift it up. What's wrong? Turn your bottle upside down. No, keep it upside down. Okay, now, both of us have bottle face up, right? Face up. Okay, close this. 1, 2, and 3. Now 4. Lift it. What do you have? You have face up. I have face down. Oh, I'll turn this. Now both are have a face up, right? Okay, 1, 2, and 3. What do you have? Face up. I have face up. 3 face down. I don't know what's happening. Some magic.